When the world collapses and medicine disappears, every cut, fever, or infection becomes a real threat. And in a place where no hospital, pharmacy, or help is coming, there's one skill that separates survivors from victims: knowing how to create your own emergency medicine with whatever you have left. Most people think antibiotics are impossible to make without modern labs, but that's not entirely true. Long before pharmacies existed, explorers and field medics used simple, forgotten tricks to stop infections before they turned deadly. Today, you're going to learn one of the most valuable. It all begins with something so ordinary that people ignore it every day: the right kind of mold. Yes, mold. The same thing most people throw away was once the base of the first antibiotic in history, but only a specific type works. You're looking for a green or blue-green mold that grows on plain bread without preservatives, thin, powdery, and dry-looking. Not random mold from spoiled food, only controlled growth from clean bread in a humid spot. Once you find it, you're not eating it, swallowing it, or pretending it's modern medicine. This is for external use only. In extreme situations, it can slow down the spread of harmful bacteria on the skin when you have absolutely nothing else. To make a crude poultice, scrape the mold off the bread, mix it with a bit of boiled and cooled water, and apply it on a clean cloth directly over the affected area. It won't cure deep infections. It won't replace real antibiotics, but it can buy you precious time that might be the difference between life and death. And here's the real lesson. Survival isn't about strength, it's about knowledge. Entire civilizations lived for centuries without hospitals because they understood how to use the natural world as medicine: herbs, roots, fungi, improvised compresses. Tools that kept humanity alive long before science had names for them. You might think you'll never need this, but all it takes is a long blackout, supply shortages, or a crisis where basic medicine becomes impossible to find. Suddenly, this forgotten knowledge becomes priceless. In a true collapse, survival comes down to the smallest details: clean water, wound care, spotting infection early, using anything at hand to slow down danger. This old trick won't make you invincible, but it might keep you alive long enough to fight another day. And once you understand it, you'll already be ahead of 99% of people who think survival is only about weapons or strength. Real survival begins in the mind, when you learn how to turn almost nothing into something that could save your life.